Welcome to the AI Sonic Studio training video series. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to create a script for your video in AI Sonic Studio. Go to the left menu and click on Text to Speech. Here you can generate voice scripts for your videos. Just add the title. You can use your generated AI content in the content section. Or you can create your own. Select output volume from drop-down. Speaking rate. Choose the language of your voice. Select voice creators from the list. Click on Generate Vox and your script will be ready. You can listen to it.
Are you looking to start a podcast but struggling to come up with the perfect content for your first video?
You can generate video from it by choosing the transcribe language. You can view. Or delete it. Thanks for watching the video.